how to change Netflix region. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can change region on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, whether you're using the Netflix app or Netflix on your browser, let's say you want to change a region because by default some shows are not available in your country. And to change a region, basically what you have to do is you have to change the IP address, which is only possible by using a VPN. So for this, all you have to do is you can open any VPN applications that you currently use over here and then simply log into the account and connect it. If you want to connect to the United States, you can download a United States VPN. There are free VPNs, there are also paid VPNs. Depending upon whichever you want to connect to, you can select a certain server that you want to connect, select the region where you want to connect to, and from there you can just tap the connect option if you'd like to connect to that certain region. And as a result, you can re-log into the Netflix app and then refresh the browser, and then you should be able to change your region and then see all the new shows. This way you'll be able to change Netflix region. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.